Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Pile136 here, and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Going Commando. So, currently we're on Megacorp Games Joba, so let's go to the next stop. Man, this map is looking quite wide. So we're meeting Fizzwidget at the Deep Space Disposal Facility. Didn't he say that the password was Quarktastic? Which, like I said, I don't remember a lot about this game, but I already kind of said something about how he sounded familiar.
All right. Input the password now.
Check. Here goes.
You better check that code.
I am sure it was correct.
The defenses are attacking us. We've got to hold them off until Fizzwidget gets here.
Oh, well, password didn't work. Now this facility wants to destroy us. Another 4 challenges, huh? Alright. So who's attacking from what angle? I don't see anybody. Oh, I felt that though. Oh, Jesus. Oh, wait. Is that... Oh, I'm attacking the big thing. That's fine. That means I can reposition myself. Well, not like that. Do not hit them. Yikes. These guys take a lot of damage. I hit that one guy with 3 of these rockets. I definitely did not hit anything that time, though. Oh, is that how this is going to be? So destroying one will cause a repair bot to come out. Not all the time. So in other words, I can't just focus on one. I'm going to have to come back. Jesus, these things take a lot of shots. Make that turn back. And I wonder if they have like a certain amount that they heal over time. Man, these things just hurt. I need to go around it. Got rare titanium from something. Well, that one pretty hurt too, it looks like. Goody, goody, goody. Another piece of rare titanium. I'm gonna need to focus on that one in the back corner there in a second. Another one somewhere. Man, these things come back pretty quick. Alright, let's turn and focus. Go ahead and just turn to the next one. And then start going to... Oh... Oh, wow. They got a couple of them back up. Alright, well, we're going to have to do this differently then. They're all pretty much, yeah, they're all repaired. Okay. So we're going to have to do this differently. The way I was doing it, I was just trying to take them out one at a time. That's more of my speed anyways. But that doesn't appear like it's gonna work. So I will just focus on them until I see them smoking blue. Then I will go and focus on another one. Once they're all focused blue smoke, wonder if I can get some more shield from these things. Can't go that way. Got it. Alright, that's another one that's almost destroyed. I was gonna say, I'm not even hitting that one apparently. Uh-oh. I wasn't actually trying to destroy that one. Come on, break that one. Turn it around. We'll shoot up this one next. About to say, if I can hit it. I'm still not hitting that one for whatever reason. There's that one. Break that bot. Another one. Come on, I gotta keep breaking the repair bots. Ah. Ah. It's all because this one just is not being hit. No, you don't. I'm trying to get a shield back, but got that one. Ah, oh wait. I should really just let it happen. You know what? I want to yeah, that's crazy. I feel like they repair them super quickly. It's alright. We have a plan. Now we just have to stick with it. And I'll save my my rockets too. And then this will hopefully make it easier on me. Is that all of them? No. That should be fine though. There's one. There's two. There's three. Let's go in reverse order now. And then start taking out these guys. There we go. Awesome. That worked out real well.
Gentlemen, can you hear me?
Sir, you gave us an erroneous password.
Implausible! Unless, is this Tuesday or Wednesday? Anyway, sorry to have missed our meeting, but I was called away to film a commercial for our weapons facilitatory.
But, sir, what about the...
Commercial? I was great! Here, watch this.
Megacorp keeps you warm, keeps you healthy, and now keeps you safe. Hello, I'm Abercrombie Fizzwidget, and I'd like to welcome you to the new Megacorp weapons facility. We offer guided tours to show you how our weapons are made. Our highly trained experts spend their day creating the latest in heavy-duty weaponry to protect you and your whole family. So stop by today and bring the kids. Our tours are both informative and fun. And who knows, you just might learn something.
That was one handsome fellow, eh, boys? Fizzwitted out.
Sir, wait! Mr. Fizzwidget, come in!
Perhaps we can still find him at the weapons facility.
I don't know. It seems like he's throwing us around in quite a circle. Not getting almost anywhere with anything. But maybe we'll find a new weapon. Now, I know it says that we could buy the rhino from that one spot. Wonder if we can get it from somewhere else. If there's like another rhino in the game. Bunch of tourists. Can I... Oh, I can break this. Well, it's taking damage, but it's not breaking. What are these ugly squirrel-looking things? Alright. Huh? That's the vendor. I probably should actually stop by the vendor and get some ammo for everything. We're almost done with the lava gun, so I'll be thankful for that. Alright, well, that's all the ammo we got for that. Even if I get more out of this, I should probably just go ahead and buy some more while we're here. The lava gun is cool and all, but, well, as with most, I suspect the next upgrade will be better. Alright, let's go from that to the... What's this? Hover bomb gun. Detonate at the right time and blast your enemies to bits. Alright then. No, we're good. Use a lot more ammo though. Oh, you know what? Speaking of, I didn't even think about it. Let's buy all the ammo for this and for that. Is there any other ammo that I'm out of? Alright. So that's where that puts us. Now let's go ahead and... You know, I also forgot we got... Huh. I was gonna say we got the charge boots, but I guess I have to equip them separately, huh? Are they all gonna just go in there? What is this? The electrolyzer. Alright, we can do one of these. And we're starting over here. Oh, I couldn't see. I couldn't see where was gonna happen next. Alright, so we're starting there. Oh, nope, we started on the side. Remember where we start. So we start there, then switch, 1, 2, switch, 1, switch, 1, 2, switch, 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 switch. Oh, we keep it there for a minute. I pressed the button, I just couldn't remember what button it was to be pushed. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I couldn't press it quick enough. So 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Okay. I keep pressing triangle again. I don't know why. So you gotta hit these pretty quick. Oh, I pressed it too early. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There we go. Wonder if I had stayed there if it would have crushed me. Squished just like grape. Well, looks like that'll take me back down to the ship. Where is this gonna take me? To the ship? I'm confused. Why? This takes me down to the ship. That takes me down to the ship. Is there anything that doesn't take me down to the ship? Alright, that works. Alright, is that the way they want me to go, or is this the way they want me to go? This is probably the way that you're supposed to go. So let's go through this way first, and we'll go through the other door when we get back. Another continue point. Alright, so tractor beam, we haven't really used.
When using the tractor beam, try strafing to better position objects. To strafe, hold L2 or R2 while running.
Oh. I understand now. I wasn't sure at first, but I do understand. I didn't think that was gonna cut it off, but... Alright, well that's a friendly guy. Alright, we'll let that go there. And then we'll grab the big one. Put it here. Then we'll grab this guy. And just stick him right here. Now there's got to be a reason to get up on these, right? Yep, and there it is. I just got it all in reverse location. I'll just move these around. Don't think it really matters a whole lot. Alright, so where did this go? Oh, I'm about to die. Well, let me grab this first before I talk to that random dude. Hello?
Captain Quark, completing quality control on Super Electro Gadget. Hammer of power detecting no defects. Ratchet of Velden. I knew this day would come. Draw your last enemy mine, for I smite you in the name of Captain Quark! Sweet death, at last we meet. Nobly, I fall on the field of battle. Finish me, Lombax!
Come on, Clank. Let's get going.
Wait! You shamed the greatest superhero who ever lived! You owe me something.
What do you want from us, sir?
Ooh! How about some cool Quark stuff from your galaxy? Trade you for this armor magnetizer,
I believe that device is designed to attract bolts.
Need the Captain Quark a collectible, huh? Okay. I don't know. Maybe back at our base, our little hotel. Maybe there was something there. It's the only thing I can think of. At least somebody wants something with it. Alright, well, that didn't last long. Although I really wish I could have had that. I was so willing to pay for it. Yeah, I forgot that I was about to die. That's fine, like I said, because I forgot I was gonna die soon. That looks like the way I came? No. Why did the force field shut off? Shut off in this room too? They did. Huh. Neat. Yeah, I didn't expect that at all. But that's fine, like I said, because I was dying. Nope, I was trying to switch weapons. Alright, let me back down, please. Yeah. I'll get and worry about the bolts later. Yeah, you gotta take care of them. Alright. Grab me some health. Oh, there's still some people alive. I don't know where they came from, but they are alive. Ah, that's where they came from. I wonder if they just keep spawning just to make my life harder. You are coming with me. There we go. Looks like they stopped spawning. I'm almost out of ammo for the lava gun again. Okay, so this is meant to be a puzzle. We'll move this over. Grab this and move this over. And we'll push it in. Oh, they only explode when they're both in place. Can I just... Nope, I cannot just stand here. Oh, I get it now. I wasn't entirely sure what was happening, but once it's on this platform, it blocks the lasers. And so now I just have to run with it. Ooh, I said run with it. Oh, they put me back right here. How nice of them. while we're waiting, these boxes came back, so... Alrighty, owie. That does a lot of damage. Alright. We'll stand here and run with it. All right there at the end. That's just a little bit rude. Okay, so there's 3 different sizes. Each one goes in their own particular hole. You know, these puzzles aren't necessarily what I'd call the most difficult. So what we'll do is we'll take the tractor beam, push that one in, and grab the medium one, push that one in, grab the big one, pull it out. There's that one. Then we'll just take the medium one, pull it out, then grab the small one, pull it out, and push it forward. Now we can take the medium one, grab it out, pull it forward, and then run. Ta-da! Ah, it's another one like that. Although, it feels like this is just easier to jump on top of. Yeah. Alright. Did all the hard work making it here. Ooh. Oh. Oh, look at that, free gun. Is this like the Morpho ring? Sheepinator. I just wanted to see. Seems like it's not a continuous thing, but a gradual increase. No? It's actually quite annoying, though. Yeah, this gun needs a lock-on function. I'm leaving. The observation deck. Look at that. Perfect timing. I definitely ran out of ammo. Okie dokie. And I don't have to equip the trespasser now, right? Or the infiltrator. Same difference. Alright, so. Okay. That worked, although I noticed this time different things. Like the, oh, death. I noticed different things this time. Like, there looks like there's a certain number of tries. Wonder what that's about. Yeah. Oh. Man, these mines hurt. I get that part of me is just trying to... Oop. Oop. Yeah, part of me is just trying to level up and upgrade this lava. But I don't know. Try it again. I was about to say it'd be nice if those things would die. There we go. We made it here. Didn't say continue point though. And it doesn't look like it was going to. Oh, it's so close. Oh, there's more health over there. Oh! Yeah, come on. There's got to be like maybe one more kill with this thing. What? Wait. I almost didn't see this. Alright, so you have less time. I'm confused. Oh, is that how many connections I have to make? Let's go up then. Nope, up ain't it. Ain't it either. Oh, every time you make a connection though, it does increase the time. A new connection. Man, this thing is much trickier. Alright. Yeah, this is actually very tricky. Almost. Got a little further. Nope. Yeah. I wish I could use like the D-pad for this. This is tricky. Down, left, right. This is tough. Although I understand the puzzle aspect of this more now. Alright, maybe I just let it run out. Almost had it. Yeah, I actually just take my time and just push the input that I need it to go. No. How far am I getting to? Da 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 da. Oop. Ah. Yeah, seeing this thing turn like it does not. Oh, stop it! Go the way I tell you to go. Haha, just barely. Whew. These are tricky. I will give them that. Oh, look at that little nanotech upgrade there. That puts me at 7, I think. 7 full. Alright. Oh, finally. Meteor gun. Oh. Yeah, this turned into something that I wasn't expecting. I mean, honestly, I thought it was lava, so I was banking on it going from lava to magma. Alright, but now I'm done with it, thankfully. So the Sheepinator does, in fact, have a upgrade. And then I guess, let's change out the mini nuke for the spider spot club. What happened? I guess Sheepinator, but yeah. It's not something I want to use right away, that's for sure. Oh, an upgrade after an upgrade, that's nice. For some reason, I thought this thing only had 8 ammo on it. Alright, keep it moving. Oh, another one already? Slowly having more and more problems with this. Go. I mean, that last one had just a lot of stuff going on with it. Looks like I'll have to look into seeing the best way of upgrading weapons for this game. I didn't think it was gonna start so early. We downloaded something for some city. I accidentally hit start as I showed up, and that was not what I meant to do. Is it this one? Probably this one.
Why is Billy sad? Is he cold, hungry, or maybe just...
Oh, no, take it away!
lonely? Introducing the Megacorp Protopet. Your child will shriek with joy when he meets our adorable friend. Want to play ball? So does the Protopet. Need a partner for tag? Go find the Protopet. Up for some cops and robbers?
Help! Police!
So is you-know-who. Just ask Billy. The Megacorp Protopet. Stop by Planet Bolden and get yours free from Abercrombie Fizzwidget himself.
Well, we didn't what they said about it, but that's all my fault. Was not expecting this to be the end of the room. It just looked like another big room to me. Oh, I thought I saw some small guys. Yeah, some of these are going to take a lot longer to upgrade than others. I wonder, can I use the Sheepinator on these guys? They're all robots. Kind of weird, isn't it? Nah, let's just go ahead on and head on out.